That's right. Nom, 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 nom.
Just gonna squeeze it all in. He's gonna need a bath.
Here, put it in your mouth.
Maybe he doesn't like sweets.
Maybe.
Not my
like
child.
vegetables.
Whose child is he?
Quick, where's the zucchini? We'll give you vegetables for your birthday, Wesley.
He doesn't. How hilarious. I bet he would eat sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
We should try giving him